Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to change your bio on Instagram. It's very easy to do, so let's start with the tutorial where I will help you out. Alright, if you go to right in the bottom, you will see our Instagram page just right here. If we tap on edit profile, you will see the option bio, and if you tap on bio, we just had use 3 dots, but you can type in whatever you want. Alright, now I will type in help you out. Right, help you out. And if you do done and go back, our bio is help you out. Alright guys, this was the tutorial for today. If it was helpful, please smash a like, and I wish you a very good day. Ciao!